Hi guys, it's Kimmy here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make matcha concentrate. What is matcha concentrate? Matcha concentrate is a pre-made matcha in a bottle, so you can always have access to it whenever you need. Matcha concentrate is very easy to make. You just need to shake it in a bottle, so you don't actually need a whisk, and it can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks because it is so strong that it doesn't get oxidized easily. For the matcha concentrate, I'm using our organic everyday grade. It can be dissolved in water very easily, and you also need a matcha bottle, so you can use your own bottle if you have. Mine is 24 ounce and it's leak proof, so you can shake it without worrying about being spilled out. And you also need 1/3 of a cup. And if you have a funnel at home, that'll be very helpful too. Okay, let me show you how to make it. And now you fill up water to about 3/4. And put on your funnel. Pop in your matcha powder. And close the lid. And shake. After shaking for about 20 seconds, you can fill it up the water all the way to the top. There you go. If you like your matcha to be slightly sweetened, I'm gonna quickly show you how to make simple syrup. And you can also make it a super fan cocktail using simple syrup as well. So simple syrup is very straightforward. It's just 1 part of sugar to 1 part of hot water. You can do a whole batch in the pot. I usually use 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water, and then you just stir it in your pot and then let it cool. You can store it in the container. But for a quick fix, this is an easy way. So I have about 50 ml of the sugar. So you add hot water to 100. And you just give it a stir until the sugar dissolves. Okay, now you have your simple syrup. So I will put this on the side. I'm gonna demonstrate 3 different kinds of matcha drinks. If you had our matcha latte before, you know our matcha latte is very strong. I use the ratio of 2 to 1. So 2 part of milk of your choice, and then 1 part of matcha. You can also make a matcha syrup. It's very easy. You just pour some hot water in a cup. And add a little bit of the matcha concentrate, and you're done. And next, I'm gonna make sparkling matcha. So I have a can of club soda with some ice in the cup. Pour it in to about 2/3. Add a little bit of the simple syrup, and top it up your matcha concentrate. You can add lime juice, lemon juice if you like. And lastly, I know the most popular one is latte. You can make hot or cold latte. If you want to make a hot one, you just pour the milk of your choice into your cup, and then microwave, or if you have a steamer, to steam it up. And then you top it up with your matcha concentrate. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Whisk Matcha YVR, or check our website at www.whiskmatcha.ca. See you soon!